Generating a universal account number or UAN for Provident Fund can be a nerve-wracking process for the accounts and finance team. It's not just a task, it's a mandatory step for onboarding and ensuring timely salary disbursement. The delay in applying for UAN numbers often results in employees' PF amounts being held in suspense until the UAN is generated. But what if I told you there's a world where creating your employee's UAN is not a stressful ordeal but a seamless journey? In just 2 minutes, iBorg is poised to rewrite the script of UAN creation. Let's take the plunge. iBorg transforms UAN creation by effortlessly pulling data from your HRMS system or Excel files and smoothly inputting it into the EPFO portal. Forget about manual hassles. With iBorg, UANs are generated in just minutes. It's like having a reliable assistant that simplifies the process, making it quick and accurate. iBorg puts the power of swift and hands-free UAN creation right in your hands, making the entire experience seamless and stress-free. iBorg can automate not just UAN, but also all your HR activities as well. Example: onboarding, leaves, attendance, HR letter request, etc. Ready for a future where EPF management is as smooth as a summer breeze? iBorg, where empowerment meets ease.